Everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can get approved for a business credit card for up to $50,000 with no hard inquiry. It will just be a soft inquiry pull. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And at my website, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package that you can download because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I also have other letter packages for purchase, and right now it's 35% off for my birthday code that you will put in. So if you want to check that out, make sure you do that. And I'm having my credit boot camp starting April 7th. It is absolutely free for you guys. So the first video will be dropping on April 7th at 1 p.m. So watch the modules over this 45-day period and you should see your credit score increase. So if you want to join my free group on Facebook so you can have support while we're doing this, make sure you sign up. I'll leave all these links in the pinned comment section and the description of this video. And if you guys need personal coaching from me, you can hit that link also. Capital on Tap is a business credit card that is designed and built for small businesses. And what's great for this credit card is you can earn 1.5% cash back with credit limits up to $50,000. And is no hidden fees or charges and no annual fee for this credit card. And applying will not affect your credit score. Now, this card is underwritten by WebBank. And right now they do have a sign-up bonus for $200 when you spend $15,000 within 3 months of getting this card. They also offer virtual business cards where you can set the limits for your employees. If you have multiple employees, you can even stagger limits depending on what position that they have in your business or in your company. Now, the great part about applying for this credit card, it is a soft inquiry. So when you personally guarantee your business with this card, it won't affect your credit score. And the APR on this card is as low as 9.99% up to 34.99%. Now, you can get multiple cards. So it's unlimited business credit cards for free for this card. And you can set limits. So if you have multiple employees, the great part, you can give each one of them a card and then you can control the spend limit. And this card does have no annual fees. Now, understand, for you to qualify for this card, you do need to be a LLC or some kind of incorporation. So this is not if you're a sole proprietorship where you can get this credit card. And they will be looking for a personal guarantee. And with that, for that person, they will be looking at your Experian credit score, and they will want to see that you're over a 670 credit score for some of the requirements to get approved for this credit card. Now, you can only have one of these cards at a time for your business. And also, if you are with WebBank, if you have a PayPal account, that will already count as one of those credit limits. And I mean like a PayPal credit card, like under that corporation and in that business. So they do only limit it for one card. Now, it will take for your approval for this card for you to know whether you're approved or not. it will require a waiting of a day or at least up to 2 business days. And you must have been in business for at least 6 months, and you do need a EIN in order to qualify for this card. So if you guys want to check this out, you can apply with no risk to you in your credit score. So if you have a business or LLC, check out this card. And what you can do is leave your results if you got approved. Put it in the comment section so we can give feedback and information to other people. Now, hopefully this information was helpful to you. And if you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section. Or if you want more detailed questions that you want to ask me in private, always feel free to go to my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. And we will be having the credit boot camp. So I hope to see you guys and for you to join me on that journey. And I hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned.